All right, we're going to be doing a tap on clearing what no longer works for you. I'm filming this on the blue moon, full moon in Sagittarius. So this is some really great clearing energy in general when it comes to being decisive on just getting rid of stuff that doesn't work anymore, especially when you know that it's not working. So we're going to start with the side of the hand. And if I say anything that doesn't really apply to you, feel free to fill in something else that feels more specific, anything that you think just doesn't work. You can just keep tapping and breathing. If you don't know what to say, just keep tapping. Okay? Even though there are some things that aren't working in my life, I choose to love, honor, and accept myself. Even though I have some beliefs that aren't serving me, and they feel like clothes that don't fit. Maybe on the outside, it looked good at one point, but it's just not me anymore. I choose to love, honor, and accept myself. Feeling misaligned. Feeling like things are just a little off. And sometimes I know what to fix. I can feel it. And sometimes I have no idea. I feel confused. Pursuing things that used to work for me, that just don't anymore. I'm allowing myself to gently let these things go. Allowing myself to make room. Space for the universe to fill with an upgrade. And it's a little scary. I feel doubt and fear about what to do next. But I want to move forward. I'm allowing myself to feel brave, courageous in the clearing, releasing what doesn't serve me, even if it's scary. Knowing that there is something better on the other side, even if I don't know what it is yet. And being gentle with myself. Change can be scary, but I don't have to be impulsive. I can slowly clear out my closet, one limiting belief at a time. day by day, accumulating improvement. And before I know it, my whole closet has completely new wardrobe. All of my beliefs combed through and filtered. Any story about myself that I said when I wasn't sure of how amazing I am. Releasing any fears about how or when the universe will fill this space. Allowing it to take time to do what it has to do. I'm sending some love to myself in the limbo between releasing what is no longer for me and calling in the next best thing. I'm allowing myself to feel really good about making this decision. Thank you, self. I'm already feeling better. Feeling strong, capable, and powerful. For this next stage in my life. In body, mind, and spirit. Release the tap. Take a nice deep breath in through the nose. Take a nice sip of water and integrate these changes as you see fit. You can do this tapping daily for the best results. In a few days, you can start to notice yourself shifting, and when you are consistent with this kind of work, not only will it calm you when it comes to making these kinds of changes and integrating things, but you will ultimately see things shift over months, years. As you continue to do this and integrate something like this just for a few minutes every day, you will absolutely see changes. And I swear by this, EFT is one of the most incredible practices that I have been able to find thus far. And I assure you, consistency will absolutely pay off. So I'll see you in the next one.